Hello students, today we'll talk about the topic the tissue. But before we start with the tissue, we must know what is cell, right? You might have often learned in your previous classes that cell is the basic unit of life. What do you mean by the word basic? Basic unit of life. What is basic? Basic means essential. The basic means the beginning, the essential, the part that can live on its own, the part that forms the structure as well as the function. A single cell alone can perform all the functions and it creates the structure. For example, if we talk about us, the humans, we were present in our mother's womb as a single cell. But now look at yourself. You have grown. You have in your body a number of cells, in fact millions of cells. Where do they all came from? They all came from when a single cell divided and redivided and so on, right? Basically, there are two types of organisms. One are unicellular and one are multicellular. Unicellular and multicellular. Uni means one. They are made up of only one cell. And multi means many cells. So what is performing all the functions in a unicellular organism? That is simply one cell. That means a single cell can perform all the functions, whereas when the cell divides into many other cells, then they together form tissue. Not all the cells, but the cells which are having similar shape and same function. The cells which are similar in shape and which perform same function, they together form a tissue. Okay, so what is tissue? A group of cells, a group of similar cells which perform similar function. When come together, they form a tissue. Alright? So tissue will deal with two types of tissues. One, the plant, and another, animal tissue. Will deal with plant tissue and animal tissue. But in this lecture, we will only discuss about the plant tissue. So beginning with the plant tissue is of two types. Plant tissue is of two types. Number one is meristematic tissue. Another is one is meristematic tissue, another one is permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue is that the cells of which can divide continuously. The cells of the meristematic tissue, they divide continuously. On the other hand side, the cells of the permanent tissue, they cannot divide. This is the major difference between them. The cells of the meristematic tissue, they divide for the whole life. While if we talk about permanent tissue, the cells cannot divide. Permanent tissue is made up of those cells which has lost the capability to divide, which cannot divide. Alright? So we'll discuss about meristematic tissue first. Meristematic tissue. The cells of meristematic tissue can be of any shape. They can be oval, they can be spherical, or they can be polygonal. So if we draw them, it will be like this: oval, spherical, polygonal. Polygonal means with many sides. It can be pentagon, hexagon, octagon, etc. Now their cells are small and thin-walled. Their wall, which is surrounding the cell, that is cell wall, is quite thin. Okay. Now their nucleus is large. They have a large nucleus, a big nucleus inside them, and they are filled with dense cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the material present inside the cell. Apart from nucleus, they are completely filled with dense cytoplasm, and they also have vacuoles present in them. Vacuoles are nothing but clear bags which basically store water. Alright, so if we talk about the cells of meristematic tissue, they can divide continuously. The shape of the cells are oval, spherical, polygonal. They are small with thin walls. Their nucleus is large. Their cytoplasm is dense, and they also have vacuoles inside them. Right? Now, type of meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue is of two types: apical meristem and lateral meristem. Apical meristem is that which is present on the apex, and the word apex means tip. And the lateral meristem is one which is present on the sides. Okay, let us discuss about them in detail. We said that meristematic tissue is of two types. One is apical, another one is lateral. Talking about apical, they are present on the tips of the plant, right? Now, if we talk about apical meristem, if we draw a simple plant here, roots and rough structure of the plant, right? If we talk about apical meristem, it is present on the tips of the root, tips of the shoot. And if it is present on the tips, that means it is helping the plant to grow upwards as well as downwards. It is helping in the growth of the length of the plant. And if we talk about lateral meristem, it is present on the sides. Okay, it is present on the side, which means it is helping in the expansion of the plant. Okay, two types of meristematic tissue: apical, lateral. Apical is present on the tips, which is helping in the elongation of the plant, lumbi. Okay, lateral meristem is present on the sides. That means it is helping in the expansion, in the growth of the width. Okay, lateral meristem is also known as cambium. It is also known as cambium. This you have to remember. Alright. Now, plants are of two types. One is monocot, another one are dicots. This you might have read in your earlier classes. Monocot plants do not have lateral meristem. Lateral meristem is absent, while in case of dicots, lateral meristem is present. So that means monocot plants are generally long and thin, patly and lumby. However, the dicots are basically thick plants. For example, your mango tree, your banyan tree, it's quite thick. It has thick stem. That means it is completely filled with lateral meristem. Okay, so this is one type of tissue, meristematic tissue. It is divided into two parts: apical meristem and lateral meristem. Apical meristem is present on the tips, which helps the plant to grow lengthwise. Lateral meristem is present on the sides of the plant, which helps to increase the girth, the diameter of the plant. And lateral meristem is also known as cambium. Moving towards another type of tissue, that is permanent tissue. Plant tissue is of two types. We did with meristematic. Now we'll deal with permanent tissue. Permanent tissue is again of two types. One is simple, another one is complex. Firstly, we'll deal with simple permanent tissue. The simple permanent tissue is of three types. It is of three types. Number one is parenchyma, then collenchyma, and then sclerenchyma. It is of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Firstly, parenchyma. The shape of the cell is, they can be oval, they can be spherical, they can be polygonal. Alright, they can be oval, spherical or polygonal. Their cell walls are thin cell walls, and they have space in between them. Space. Remember we study about solid, liquid and gas, and we say that in solid the molecules are tightly packed, there is no space in between them, while in case of liquid there is space in between them, right? Similarly, in case of parenchyma, the cells are having space in between them. Alright. Now talking about the function, the parenchyma, they help to store food and water. And last is their location. They are located in all parts of the plant. You have to know about their shape. Their walls are thin, they have space in between them. What is their function? Parenchyma helps to store food and water. And where is it present? In all the parts of the cell, right? Coming next to the collenchyma. Collenchyma is having thick walls. It is having thick walls. And what about its shape? They are elongated, lumbe. They are having thick walls, they are elongated, and there is no space in between them, because this space is covered by a carbohydrate known as pectin. This space is now covered by a substance called pectin. So there is no more space in between them. Okay. Now about their function, collenchyma provides support and flexibility to the plant. Support and flexibility. Okay. And where are they present? They are present in the stem and in petiole. Do you know what is petiole? For example, here is leaf. That part of the leaf which helps to attach the leaf with the stem. This is petiole. Okay. Last is sclerenchyma. They are basically dead cells, right? They also have thick walled cells. Cells are thick walled, and there is no space. Same as collenchyma, they are having no space in between them. And why their walls are thick? Why their cells have thick wall? Because they are covered by a substance known as lignin. Lignin is a protein. This protein surrounds the walls of the sclerenchyma cells. Now about their function is nothing but they provide strength to the plant. They are providing strength. They are making the plant strong, and that means they are present basically in the stem, the outer regions of the stems. Okay. Permanent tissue is of two types: simple and complex. Simple means they are made up of only one type of cells. Only one type of cells are present. That is why they are simple. Complex means they are having more than one cells. That is why they are complex, right? Simple is of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. You have to know about the shape of the cells. Is there any space in between them? What is their function? Where is the location? Okay. Similarly, collenchyma, elongated, no space. Why no space? Because of presence of pectin. Their function, their location. Similarly, sclerenchyma, because if the examiner can ask you the question like, differentiate between parenchyma and collenchyma. Write about the functions of parenchyma. Write about the functions of sclerenchyma. Where is sclerenchyma located? Where is parenchyma located? So you must know all such questions along with their answers, of course. Now coming to the last part, that is complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue is of two types. Complex permanent tissue is of two types. One is xylem Another one is phloem. Okay, xylem transports water. Xylem transports water inside the plant, water and minerals as well. The phloem transports food. This you have to remember, right? And they both are made up of 4 types of cells. Xylem is made up of tracheids, vessels, sclerenchyma, and parenchyma. And also remember that xylem is known as dead cell, dead tissue made up of dead cells. Phloem is made up of sieve tubes or sieve cells, companion cells which help the sieve cells, parenchyma, and sclerenchyma. And phloem is known as living tissue. Why xylem is known as dead tissue? Because it is made up of tracheids, vessels, sclerenchyma. They all are dead. Only one cell is living, that is parenchyma. More than one cell is dead, that means the whole tissue is dead. Okay. Phloem is known as living tissue because it has 3 parts which are living while 1 part is dead. Sclerenchyma is the dead tissue. Okay. Parenchyma is the living one. In xylem, 3 are dead, that is why the cell whole is known as dead tissue. And in phloem, the 3 are living, that is why it is known as living tissue. Alright. Remember their function, it transports water, it transports food. So this is a little bit of plant tissue. Coming back to the summary, plant tissue is of 2 types. Number 1 is meristematic, another one is permanent tissue. Meristematic is of 2 types, apical meristem and lateral meristem. Remember what it is also known as? Cambium. Permanent tissue is again of 2 types, simple and complex. Simple is of 3 types, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Complex is of only 2 types, xylem and phloem. This is all about plant tissue. We'll discuss about animal tissue in our next lecture. Thank you.